Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing another programming problem. Now this programming problem says, you could read it at the top right here. An oil slick occurs when an underwater refinery pipe ruptures, pumping oil into the water. The spilled oil sits on top of the water and causes a natural disaster. For simplicity, suppose that the oil sits on top of the water in the form of a circle. Write a program that prompts the user to enter the rate at which the ruptured pipe pumps oil in gallons per minute, the thickness of the oil on top of the water, and the number of days for which the area is covered by the spilled oil. The program outputs the spilled area in kilometers and the volume of oil in gallons on top of the water after each day. Now, you can all see here, guys, that the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to be doing we're going to have to declare some named constants at the top up here to do some conversions. So we need to write in constant double cubic, actually you need to make these all caps, cubic centimeters in 1 gallon. Now that is the conversion for the amount of cubic centimeters in 1 gallon. Pretty self-explanatory. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to write in constant double we'd write in constant double centimeters in 1 kilometer, which is equal to 100,000. 0.00. And then right here we can write a function prototype and name it oil slick area. We're going to write in double oil thickness, or we could just name it oil thick, comma, double oil release rate, comma, double spill time in hours. Now after writing down this function prototype, we can move on to the main function. Now my idea for the for just pretty much the entire layout of this program is that I am basically going to have this function right here, which will be paired up with a while loop inside of the main function to create a loop that determines the area of the oil slick and the volume of the oil. So first I'm going to write in here, double oil thickness, double oil release, gallons per minute, and int slick days, and double spill area is equal to 0.0. And then you can see out fixed, show point, set precision to 2, semicolon. Now you can see out, enter the oil spill rate per minute in gallons. CIN, oil released gallons per minute, Cout, endo. And then we can see out, enter the oil thickness on top of the water in centimeters. CIN, slick days, Cout, endo. And then we can write in Cout, oh no, sorry, it's actually supposed to be oil thickness. Now this right here is going to be enter the number of days for which you want to know, enter. The area covered by the spilled oil. And then you can write in semicolon, and then CIN, just like it is, Cout, endo. And then you can see out oil slick area after each day for slick days. Endo. After that, we can write in cout, set W, 5, and then square kilometers, so W20, left, in gallons, and no. And then we can just finish it off and do that. Now we can get to writing our for loop. We can write in for int I is equal to 1, semicolon. Actually, hold on. I think I made a mistake here. We're just gonna do that. There we go. And then I is less than or equal to days, semicolon, and each time this for loop repeats, does this. So then we can write in spill area is equal to spill area plus oil slick area, oil thickness, comma, oil released gallons per minute, comma, 60 times 24. There we go. Then we can enter, come right here, and write in cout, set W 4, left, I, you just space 3 times, set W 12, enter, spill area divided by centimeters in 1 kilometer times centimeters in 1 kilometer. So you pretty much just square it, enter, one, two, three. Set precision to 2. And then you write in right, set W 15, oil released in gallons per minute times 60 times 24 times I, and no. Now that is pretty much the end of our int main function. Now we can get to defining the oil slick area function. So we need to come down here and we need to write in double oil slick area. Now we can just write in those parentheses and we'll just copy and paste what's already up here. And paste. And then you can come, open parentheses, and write in double oil volume in gallons, double oil volume in cubic centimeters and double spill area. After that, you can write in oil volume in gallons is equal to oil release rate times spill time in hours. After that, you can write in oil volume in cubic centimeters is equal to oil volume in gallons times cubic centimeters in 1 gallon. And now spill area is equal to oil volume in cubic centimeters divided by oil thickness. And then we can return the spill area. Now we can come and run the program and whoa, okay. I actually forgot to include the header file. IO-man-IP. Now just a quick tip, before running your programs, always check the top of the where the header files usually go, because if you forgot something, and this happens to all of us, let's be real here, you could probably just use something from a header file and you didn't even include it. Just include it and you can run the program and hopefully it runs without error. And when you do run the program, hopefully it should run a little bit like it does here. The oil spill rate was like 84. The oil thickness was, let's say 3 centimeters, and the number of days was covered for 4 days until it was fixed. And that's all the stats you need to know. It tells you the square kilometers and the volume of oil in gallons. So that's pretty much how the program is supposed to run. If you got that, then it ran correctly. Now I hope you all had a great time doing this programming problem along with me. I hope you guys can stick around for more problems like these, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!